Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about 5 side hustles for beginners. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over freelancing, online tutoring, and dropshipping. In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for anyone looking to boost their income or explore new opportunities. We'll be discussing 5 side hustles for beginners that are not only practical, but also easy to start. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, these side hustles can fit into your schedule and help you achieve your financial goals. We understand that starting something new can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. We'll break down each side hustle, providing you with clear steps and tips to get started. From online gigs to creative projects, there's something here for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of which side hustles align with your skills and interests. Plus, we'll share some real-life examples to inspire you and show you that success is within reach. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and discover practical ways to earn extra income, stick around. Let's jump right in and explore these 5 exciting side hustles together. Freelancing. Freelancing is an incredible side hustle that offers flexibility and the chance to turn your skills into income. One of the first steps in freelancing is identifying the skills you can monetize. Think about what you enjoy doing or what you're good at. Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or social media management. These are all valuable skills that businesses are willing to pay for. Once you've pinpointed your skills, it's time to explore platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These websites connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. The beauty of these platforms is that they cater to a wide range of talents, making it easy for beginners to find gigs that match their expertise. To stand out in the competitive freelancing market, building a portfolio is essential. A portfolio showcases your previous work and demonstrates your capabilities to potential clients. Even if you're just starting, you can create sample projects or offer your services at a discounted rate to gather testimonials. By investing time in your portfolio, you'll attract more clients and increase your chances of success in the freelancing world. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a fantastic side hustle for beginners, offering both flexibility and the potential for significant earnings. One of the first steps in exploring this opportunity is to identify subjects or skills that are in high demand. Popular areas include math, science, languages, and test preparation. If you have expertise in any of these subjects, you're already on the right track to becoming a successful tutor. There are several platforms available that make it easy to connect with students. Websites like tutor.com and Check Tutors provide a user-friendly interface where you can create a profile and start offering your services. These platforms often have a steady stream of students looking for help, which means you can start earning money relatively quickly. One of the greatest advantages of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours and choose how many students you want to take on, making it an ideal side hustle for anyone with a busy schedule. Additionally, the earning potential can be quite lucrative, especially if you specialize in high-demand subjects or offer advanced tutoring services. With the right approach, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge while boosting your income. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an innovative business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. Essentially, when a customer makes a purchase from your online store, you order the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means you can run your business with minimal upfront costs and reduced risk, making it an attractive option for beginners. One of the key advantages of dropshipping is that it requires less capital compared to traditional retail models. You don't need to invest in inventory or worry about storage space, which makes it easier to get started. To set up your dropshipping store, platforms like Shopify and Oberlo are excellent choices. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface for building your online store, while Oberlo helps you find and import products from suppliers seamlessly. When starting your dropshipping journey, it's crucial to select a niche that interests you and has market demand. Research trending products and target audiences to ensure you're meeting customer needs. Additionally, effective marketing is essential for driving traffic to your store. Utilize social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to promote your products and attract potential buyers. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. Content creation. Content creation is an exciting side hustle that opens up a world of opportunities for those looking to express themselves and connect with an audience. There are various forms of content you can explore, including blogging, vlogging, and podcasting. Each format allows you to share your knowledge, experiences, or passions in a way that resonates with others. Whether you prefer writing, speaking, or creating videos, there's a platform that suits your style. Finding your unique voice and niche is crucial in the content creation landscape. Think about what topics you're passionate about and how you can provide value to your audience. This could be anything from travel tips and cooking tutorials to personal finance advice or tech reviews. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build a loyal following that appreciates your insights and expertise. As your audience grows, there are several monetization options available. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Many platforms like YouTube and blogs offer ad revenue opportunities, while brands may reach out for sponsorships once you establish a solid presence. With dedication and creativity, content creation can not only be a fulfilling side hustle, but also a lucrative venture that allows you to share your passion with the world. Conclusion: in today's video, we explored 5 exciting side hustles for beginners, each offering unique opportunities to boost your income and gain new skills. We discussed freelancing, where you can monetize your talents on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Online tutoring emerged as a flexible option, allowing you to share your knowledge in high-demand subjects. We also delved into dropshipping, a low-risk business model that lets you sell products without holding inventory. Content creation was highlighted as a creative outlet, whether through blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, with various monetization options available. The key takeaways to remember are that each of these side hustles can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and interests. The potential for growth and income is significant, so we encourage you to take action and explore which side hustle resonates with you the most. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in starting their own side hustles. Together, we can build a community of aspiring entrepreneurs ready to take control of their financial futures. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care